Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever accidentally blocked a Telegram channel and regretted it, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover how to access those blocked channels in 2025, with Telegram's latest features making it easier than ever. Whether it's for catching up on news, tutorials, or fun content, unblocking is straightforward once you know the steps. First, ensure your Telegram app is up to date. In 2025, Telegram has rolled out enhanced privacy tools, so head to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Log in if you aren't already. Security first. Step 1. Tap the hamburger menu icon, those three horizontal lines, in the top left corner to open the side menu. This is your gateway to settings and more. Step 2. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. It's usually near the bottom for quick access. Step 3. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section handles all your blocking and unblocking needs. Step 4. Look for Blocked Users or Blocked Contacts. It might be listed under a subheading. Here, you'll see a list of everything you've blocked. Step 5. Tap on the channel you want to unblock. A prompt will appear with an Unblock button. Go ahead and tap it. Confirm if asked. Once unblocked, head back to the search bar or channels section, and you should be able to access it again. If the channel is blocked by Telegram due to policy issues, you might need to wait or contact support, but for user-blocked channels, this should do the trick. That's it, you've reclaimed your access. Remember, always double-check before blocking to avoid this hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.